Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on Walker Road with this fantastic 4-bedroom semi-detached property. As you can see, you've got a full parking for multiple cars to the front, and then just down the central path leading you to the entrance hall. You've got the downstairs bathroom, spacious family lounge, and a lovely modern kitchen area. A utility cupboard to the first floor, and then as you enter up to the first floor, you've got the 4 fantastic size bedrooms. So your family bathroom, the vanity unit, plenty of storage in here, and the shower over the tub sits to the ground floor of the property. Utility cupboard just tucked away behind the door here. Space there for your washing machine and tumble dryer. And then seamlessly flowing on through to this lovely modern kitchen that's stunning. 7-ring gas range cooker, plenty of storage, lovely and bright. And then out onto this fantastic low maintenance garden, which is an absolute sun trap, as you can see, on such a lovely sunny day. So you've got gated access down back to the front of the property. Raised area there, you can see home in the storage sheds, and then continues around the property. Now to the back of the garden, as you can see, the fence panels there are in place. There is an additional around 7 to 10 feet, I'm not sure if you can see the further fencing post. The garden actually does continue to that point, but the current vendors wanted to make it a smaller space than what it is. So there is the option to obviously take all of these panels out and then continue it and add it to the fence post just behind us. Now back through the kitchen and into the entrance hall, you then have access to the lovely light and airy family lounge. And then, as I mentioned, your gated access, which leads you back to the front of the property, but does offer fantastic storage once again. So patio doors and the window to the front. Lovely bright room, but as you can see, plenty of space in here to create that lounge and dining area. And then as we continue to the first floor, there are 3 fantastic sized double bedrooms alongside a really generous single. So this is the smallest of the 4 rooms. Could in theory actually get a double bed in here. Lovely and light again with the double windows. And then just off the landing, you've got loft access. These lovely solid oak doors have been recently installed. And then the first of the bigger doubles, first one here just overlooking the front of the property. And then the second 2, this one and the next, overlooking the rear garden. So just set up as a dressing room at the moment, but as you can see, you can appreciate the size, plenty of space for a double bed and further furnishing. And lastly, into the master bedroom. Freshly plastered ceiling. Fitted wardrobes have been recently taken out, hence minor bits of decor needed, but it's perfect blank canvas for somebody to come in and create their own perfect stamp, making their own fantastic home. Now for those who don't actually require a 4-bed, you could bring the bathroom to the first floor and then use what is the current bathroom space as an office or a playroom. A real nice versatile room. So we're over on Walker Road, which is sandwiched between both Monton and Worsley villages. Perfectly located for those that enjoy lovely walks along the Bridgewater Canal. You've got fantastic local schools surrounding yourself here, some of which are outstanding. excellent amenities, shops just a stone throw away from where we are, and perfect transport links with the M60 motorway junction just a stone's throw from the property. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this lovely family home, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.